What's up, beautiful people? And Marshmellow here, and in this video we're going to be talking about a brand called the Innate Life. Now, they sent over some products for me to review, and I've used them about 3 times now, and I have a lot to say about these products. This is not sponsored. They just sent me the products to do a review, and that is what I'll be doing today. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and let's jump on in. So the 3 products that they sent to me, 2 came in these beautiful boxes. I love the design on the side of the boxes. They also have on top of the boxes some phrases about hair care, which I was like, this is a cute added touch. The first product that I used was actually their herbal hair mask. This is an intensive once-a-week mask, which is formulated with over 15 plant-based botanicals, some of which are slippery elm, marshmallow root, horsetail, brahmi, all of which are phenomenal for hair health and growth. Now, the way I used this the first time, I had my twists in and I had cooked some oxtail the day before and my hair just stunk. So I had to wash my hair, so I decided to just go ahead and use this mask prior to washing. So kind of like a pre-poo. Now, I wanted to really test how hydrating this product was, so I didn't spritz my hair at all. I just went straight in with the herbal hair mask, and I'm gonna tell you, I started to put this thing on and I noticed that my hair was soaking this thing up really well. It really did hydrate my hair because my twists started to hang. They became more plump and voluminous, and they smelled really divine. This mask has a citrusy flavor. This mask has a citrusy fragrance to it. It kind of has a little earthy undertone from the other herbs that are in there, but the dominant fragrance that you smell will be a citrusy one, and there is orange peel oil in this as well, so I think that that's what's really giving it that beautiful citrus smell. The texture of this mask, it's creamy, it's slippery to the touch. I like that texture. It's not too thin, but it's also not too heavy, and for my thick coarse hair, it really did a number on actually hydrating my hair really well. After I applied it to my hair, I washed my hair in twists. I didn't film that, so moving right along. This is now a week later, and I decided that I wanted to try this mask on my hair without the twist. So I went in and took out my twists, misted my hair with some water, and applied this mask again, and this thing literally hydrated my hair so beautifully, just like it did the first time. The second product that I used from the Innate Life was actually their scalp treatment, and it is a non-toxic, natural, organic scalp treatment for normal scalp. It adds intense hydration and it helps with hair repair. Now, I don't use store-bought scalp treatments, and I was a little bit shook. I was a little bit scared to do this because I've noticed that many store-bought scalp treatments use a ton of essential oils. I don't have anything against essential oils. I use them for aromatherapy all the time. I make some oils with them with specific, very, very specific essential oils because they can be very irritating to the skin and scalps. Initially, when I opened it, I was looking at it, I was like, yo, it's a little bit too thick. And I looked at the ingredients. It has castor oil in there, argan oil, vitamin E, rosemary essential oil, which I was kind of like skeptical because, again, it's an essential oil and it's going on the scalp. So I was like, oh, I don't know. This also has shika. Key? I don't remember. Let me look at it again. Okay, let me hear what Google said. Shikake. Okay, so that's what Google says. Shikake has been used for years as a natural cleanser for the hair and scalp and also the skin. And to be quite frank, when I saw this in here, I was like, wow, this is really cool because it has all these hair growth ingredients, but it also has some cleansing properties, which I was totally here for. I did do a patch test, a spot patch test in the middle of the back of my head before I used the product on the entirety of my head. The reason why I did that is because I wanted to see if I had any allergic reactions to just any of the ingredients in here. My scalp didn't tingle when I did the patch test, which was kind of cool. I was like, okay. I went on with this scalp treatment on the entirety of my head, and I was slathering it on because the first time I used it, there was no tingling. This time, not so much. My head was tingling, girl. I was like, oh, it felt like minty toothpaste on my scalp. And I know it's because of the rosemary essential oil in this product. Rosemary will stimulate your scalp very, very much. It always does this tingling sensation, which I don't like. Like, I don't know how people like, yeah, you want to tingle. I don't like it. I don't like it. don't like it. I am not a fan. However, when applying this to my scalp, I noticed that the roots of my hair was so shiny. It was so shiny. They were so shiny. They were so shiny. I was in love with how they looked. I like the consistency. It's a little bit runny, but it also has a thickness to it where it's not dripping down the back of your neck or anything like that, which I appreciate. I truly appreciate. I covered my hair with a plastic bag. I sat for about 4 hours, you know, like, wasn't it long? Yeah, I think it was that long. It was about 4 or 5 hours. I fell asleep for 2 hours. I know that because my watch told me. And by the time I woke up, I had that tingling sensation. I just wanted to wash out my hair because my hair wasn't sore. My scalp wasn't tender. It was just the tingling, nonstop tingling. I was like, yeah, I need this. I'm done. It's good. I'm done. Like, I'm done. So I went into the shower. I started to undo my twist, and girl, my hair was so shiny. My hair was so soft. From the combination of these two products, girl, my hair was so soft. It was shiny. The twist, like, I could have left this in and took it out as a twist out if I wanted to. I probably should have, but I didn't. My hair felt amazing. It felt amazing. My hair was hydrated. My curls were popping. It just soaked up the water very well. I did use a shampoo and wash my hair, and then I styled my hair as I normally would. Now, fast forward to 2 weeks later. That's how long it's been taking me to do this one video, girl. Moving on to the oil. Now, the rose hair elixir. It has sea buckhorn oil, rose otto essential oil, and black cumin seed oil. Black cumin seed oil is said to literally cure everything but death. I can't attest to how true that is, but I've used it separately on its own for a number of years, for a number of different things, and it's a great oil. It tastes like crap. All right, I've drank it for different things. It tastes horrible. They have the pills. You can get the pills if you want the pills, but and it smells pungenty. However, in this rose elixir oil, it does not have that fragrance at all. You cannot smell the black cumin seed oil, which I love. And even the texture of the oil is really cool. I've used it on the length of my hair. I've used it on my scalp. I've used it on my twist. I really do like the quality of this oil. It smells beautiful. I actually used it on this style to rehydrate my hair a couple of days ago. And I'm gonna be honest, like, I remember going to work in the evening and I could still smell the rose fragrance from this oil. And it wasn't strong. It was a subtle fragrance. I would get a whiff of that fragrance during the day and I was like, oh, okay, so you're still there. It smelled really good. To wrap things up, I really like these products, and I only talked about their key major ingredients, but I looked at the website and these things are packed. Like, they are packed with so many other great ingredients that I am here for. Like, I'm totally here for, and I actually would recommend these products because they do what they say they're supposed to do. I like these products. And that's all for this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. I honestly hope you guys can't hear the birds. The birds been out since 5:30 a.m. It's 10 o'clock. Why are you guys still out here tweeting? Like,